हेलो, हेलो, हेलो।
हेलो। Hello students, welcome back to your reasoning classes. How are you all? I hope you are well, and how is your preparation going? I hope you are all practicing your questions. Let's start the question. Firstly, we know what did we learn in yesterday's class? हमने कल की क्लास में क्या सीखा? लास्ट क्लास में learned and solved many questions. Approx 40 questions. Yesterday's class we solved 40 questions, 40 important questions. Today's class we are going to discuss your PYQs, previous year question paper. जो क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आए, we are going to discuss PYQs. Let's start the question. Question number 43. Choose the odd one out. 2024 क्वेश्चन का PYQ है 2024. ऑप्शंस क्या गिवन है? स्कूल, कॉलेज, होटल, यूनिवर्सिटी. Here what we get? What logic? University, school, college. University and college. What did we get? Education. Education. But hotel. Hotel is different. क्या होटल में हमें एजुकेशन मिलता है? नहीं, होटल में हमें एजुकेशन नहीं मिलता. और ये क्या हो जाएगा? ऑड. होटल इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर ऑप्शंस. आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी. ऑप्शन सी, होटल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 44. फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट. 2024 में पूछा. ऑप्शंस आर गिवन समर, विंटर, and spring. Here we get summer, winter and spring. These are seasons. Summer, winter and spring. These are seasons. But here we get season. That is different from other options. इनमें से क्या है? डिफरेंट है. जो भी हमारे पास ऑप्शन है इनमें से डिफरेंट है. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे ऑड क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी. Here we will find option C for answer. Next question, question number 45. Find the odd one. Means different one find. ये भी आपका कब पूछा गया? 2024. 121, 99, 135 and 143. 121, 99, 135, 143. Here what we get? 121. That is square of 11. ये क्या है? स्क्वायर का 11 का स्क्वायर. बट 99, 135 and 143. These are not squares. Then we can say here in this question, these are multiples of 11. These are multiples of 11. 121. 99, 143 and 121. These are multiple of 11. 135 इज नॉट मल्टीपल ऑफ 11। तो यहाँ पर क्या लॉजिक हमने 121, 99 एंड 141 के मल्टीपल्स हैं। यहाँ पे डिफरेंट क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी, ऑप्शन 135। आंसर विल बी सी, 135। Let's move to the next question. Question number 46. Choose the odd one out. These are your PYQs, previous year questions. Options are given PEK, CEG, ACEG, BDFG. अगर आपने लास्ट क्लास देखी तो आपको पता होगा, आपको क्या बोला गया था कि आपको प्लेस वैल्यू याद करनी एंड अपोजिट्स, सब इनके अपोजिट लर्न करने। यहाँ पे पहले हम इनके प्लेस वैल्यू लिखेंगे। P E I and K. P will be 2, P 5, I 9, K 11, C 5, 7, I 1, 5, 7। B क्या है? B, E, F, H. B will be P4, F6, H8. फर्स्टली हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर 2 प्लस 3, 5 प्लस 9 प्लस 2 11, प्लस 4, 4 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 8, 3 प्लस 2 5, 5 प्लस 2 7 प्लस 2 9, 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 5, 5 प्लस 2 3 7। यहाँ पर हमने देखा क्या लॉजिक अप्लाई हो रहा है, ऑप्शन बी सी में एंड डी में लॉजिक क्या अप्लाई हो रहा है? लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस यहाँ पे फॉलो हुआ है, +2 एंड +2। बट ऑप्शन ए इज डिफरेंट ऑप्शन। यहाँ पे हमारे पास डिफरेंट ऑड क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए, बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या लॉजिक सीक्वेंस फॉलो नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ पे +3 +4 +2 अप्लाई हो रहा है, क्योंकि लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस है और ये क्या है? डिफरेंट ऑप्शन। आंसर विल बी ए, ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 47। फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट। Options are given orange, earth, egg and basket. Orange, earth and basketball. यहाँ पर कौन सा लॉजिक अप्लाई हुआ है हम देखते हैं। शेप, which logic? Shape, orange, earth, egg, basketball. There are shapes of orange, earth, egg and basketball. We get egg. Egg का शेप कैसा है? ओवल शेप। टाइप शेप ओवल। and these three are circle type. Sorry, spherical type. Orange, earth, and basket. These shapes are spherical, but egg oval shape, oval. So egg will be different from others. Orange and earth basketball से egg क्या होगा? Different होगा. And that is our answer. Egg will be our answer because this is different from other options. Next question 48. Pick the odd one out. ये भी आपका क्या है? PYQ 2023. Options are given: book, pencil, eraser, and computer. Which logic will be applied here? Book, pencil, eraser, and computer. Book, pencil, and eraser. These are stationary items. Book, eraser. These are stationary items. Or product. But computer. Which computer? Stationary item या product? No. तो different क्या होगा हमारे पास? Computer. Computer will be different from other options. Book, pencil, eraser से क्या है? Different है. तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? D. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? D. Because D is odd from other options. Answer will be option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 49. Find the odd one out. Kanpur, Vijayawada, Ganga, and options are given: Kanpur, Vijayawada, Ganga, and here what we get: Kanpur, Vijayawada, and Guwahati. Kanpur, Vijayawada, and Guwahati. These are districts. But Ganga क्या है? River. Ganga is the river, main river. Three options are district and one is different from others, which is river. Then our answer will be option C, Ganga. तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? गंगा, ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी, गंगा. दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. द ऑड वन आउट. गिटार, वायलिन, स्टार, एंड फ्लूट. ऑप्शंस आर गिवन: गिटार, वायलिन, स्टार, एंड फ्लूट. यहाँ पर अगर हम शेप के अकॉर्डिंग देखेंगे, गिटार, वायलिन एंड गिटार, वायलिन एंड स्टार, फ्लूट. यहाँ पर आपका स्टार ने सितार होगा. क्या होगा? सितार. गिटार, वायलिन एंड सितार. क्या होगा? गिटार, वायलिन एंड सितार एंड फ्लूट. तुम क्या देखेंगे? गिटार, वायलिन एंड सितार में इंस्ट्रूमेंट होते हैं म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. दीज आर म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है उसमें क्या होते हैं? स्ट्रिंग्स का यूजेज ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. दे आर मेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स. But flute, there is no strings in the flute. Flute कोई भी नहीं होता है, वो और सिर्फ rhythm की होती है. But guitar and violin and sitar without string कोई भी sound नहीं play करेंगे. Flute will be different from others. And that will be our answer because flute is different from other options. Answer will be option flute. Next question, question number 1. Find the odd one out. 97, 47, 19, 97, 47, 81. 97, 7, 19. These are prime numbers. These are prime. Eighty-one is not prime number because divisible by 9, 81 itself. But these three are prime numbers because it divisible by itself or 1. Then our answer will be 81. Our answer will be 18 because it is different from other options. Answer will be option D, 81. Let's move to the next question. Question number 50. Which of the following option is an odd one? Then different one find करना. Options are given PQRS, LM, BCDE, WXYZ. Here we get 4 pairs. 5. Option A and D. Option A, B. We get number of 4 pairs of it. But in option B, how many alphabets? There are 5 alphabets. There are 5 alphabets. Then it will be different from other options, and that is our answer. Our answer will be option B because it is different from other options. Next question, question number. From the given options, the odd one out. क्या फाइंड करना हमें? डिफरेंट. ऑप्शन ए बांग्लादेश टका, ऑप्शन बी ब्राजील रियल, साइप्रस डॉलर, इंडिया रूपी. क्वेश्चन, what we get? लॉजिक करेंसी एंड कंट्री. करेंसी एंड कंट्री का लॉजिक यहाँ पे अप्लाई हुआ है. ब्राजील, बांग्लादेश, साइप्रस, इंडिया. These are country. टका, रियल, डॉलर एंड रूपी. These are currency. यहाँ पे हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? ऑड. क्या फाइंड करना है? ऑड. बांग्लादेश टका, यहाँ पे ये सही दिया गया है. ब्राजील रियल, राइट. साइप्रस डॉलर. आपको पता होगा डॉलर कहाँ की करेंसी होती है? डॉलर यूएस. डॉलर यूएस. इंडिया. साइप्रस की क्या हो जाएगी? यूरो. साइप्रस की क्या हो जाएगी? यूरो. will be option C because that is different from others and wrong logic. Let's move to the next question. Question number 34. Choose the word is like the others in the means find, odd, MS Paint, Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. MS Paint, Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. Here we get Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. These three are social media. These three are social media applications. But MS Paint, not social media application. And this will be different from others. And that will be our answer. Question number 54 का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? A. Option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 55. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. Means find the odd one. Options are given: bake, peel, fry and roast. Fry and roast. Here we get bake, fry and roast. These are cooking methods. These are cooking methods. Bake, fry and roast. But peel is different from others. Peel is different from others. This is not cooking method. Then our answer will be option number B, peel. Option number B, peel. Next question, question number 56. Choose the word which is least like the words in the group. Means find odd one. Leo, Capricorn, Cancer. Options are given: Leo, Capricorn, Cancer and Orion. Let's see which logic will be applied here. Leo, Capricorn, Cancer. So, Capricorn and Cancer, these are zodiac signs. These are zodiac signs. Leo, Capricorn and Cancer, these are zodiac signs. But Orion is different from the other options. Orion is constellation. Orion is constellation and it is different from other three options because these three are zodiac signs. Then our answer will be option number D, Orion. Question number 56 का क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? D. Next question, choose the word which is least like the others in the group. Options are given: green, pink, yellow and blue. Green, pink, yellow and blue. All four options are colored. यहाँ पर चारों ऑप्शन हमें क्या दिए हैं? कलर्स. कलर्स रेनबो. Which colors are given? Violet, indigo, yellow, orange, red. But pink क्या होता है? Absent होता है रेनबो में. Pink color is not in rainbow. Then pink is different from the other options. Different from the other options, and our answer will be option B, pink. Our answer will be option B, pink. Because green, yellow and blue colors is present in rainbow. Let's move to the next question, question number 58. Choose the word least like the other words in the group. Means find odd one. Options are given: plastic, paper, wood, wool. Plastic, paper, wood and wool. Which logic is applied here? Plastic, paper, wood. Here we get paper, wood and wool. These are biodegradable items. And plastic is non-biodegradable. Then plastic is different from the other options. Our answer will be option A, plastic. Our answer will be option A, plastic. And from the other options. Let's move to the next question. Question number 59. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group means find odd one. Options are given: picture, poster, book and scene. Picture, poster, book and scene. Here we get picture, poster and scenery. These are same in meaning and these are used the purpose of showpiece or wall hanging. But book is different from the other options. इसमें से क्या है? डिफरेंट है, ऑड है, बिकॉज बुक का यूज कहाँ होता है? स्टडी पर्पस. Book is used for the purpose of study and is different from the other options. These three are same in meaning and book is different from the others. Then our answer will be option C. 59 क्या हो जाएगा? C. Answer will be 59. C. Book. Next question, question number 60. Choose the word which is like the other words in the group means find odd one. Options are given: Earth, Sun, Mercury and Jupiter. Earth, Sun, Mercury and Jupiter. Here we get Earth, Mercury and Jupiter. Earth, Mercury and Jupiter. These are planets. Earth, Mercury and Jupiter. These are planets, but Sun. While Sun is a star. Sun, star. And these three are planets. Then Sun is different from the other options. Sun is different from the other options. So, Vaibhav, कैसे हो आप? Then our answer will be option B. Because it is different from the other options, answer will be B, Sun. Let's move to the next question. Question number 60. Choose the word which is like the other words in the group means find odd one. Options are given: student, lawyer, mechanic and engineer. Student, lawyer, mechanic and engineer. This option we get lawyer, mechanic and engineer. Lawyer and engineer. These are positions or profession. These are position or profession. But student is different from the other options. Student is different from the other options because student is a process which we get any position or profession. Then our answer will be 61 ka A. Our answer will be option student because this is different from the other options. Next question. Question number 62. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group means find the odd one. Find the odd one. Options are given: ladder, staircase, bridge and escalator. Ladder, staircase, bridge and escalator. Here we get ladder, staircase and escalator. We use ladder, staircase and escalator. का यूज हम क्या करते हैं? ऊपर या नीचे जाने पे, हमें कहीं अप या बॉटम साइड जाना होता तो then we use ladder, staircase and escalator. While we use bridge from one side to another side. One side to another side. Then bridge will be different from the other options and our answer will be option sea bridge because it is different from the other options. Answer will be sea bridge. Next question, question number 63. Choose the word which is least like the word other words in the group, means find odd one. Options are given: eyes, ear, and star. Eyes, ear, and star. Eyes, ear, and hand. These are body parts. Eyes, ear, and hand. These are body parts. But scarf is different because scarf is cloth. Scarf is a cloth. And eyes, ear, and hand are body parts. Then scarf is different. Other options, and this will be our answer. Our answer will be option D, scarf. Let's move to the next question. Question number 64. Choose the word least like the other words in the group, means find odd one. These are PYQs. Options are given: sun, planets, star, satellite. Sun, planet, stars, satellite. Here we get sun, planet, and star. Sun, planet, and star. These are natural. These three are natural. But satellite both natural and man-made. And artificial. Then satellite is different from the other three options. Satellite is different from the other three options. Then satellite will be our answer because it is different from the others. Answer will be option D, satellite. Next question. Here are direction given. Question number 65 to 70. Find the odd one word from the given alternatives. क्या find करना है? Odd one. 65 question number. Options are given: Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada, and English. Malayalam, Telugu, and English. These are languages. These are languages. But Malayalam, Telugu, and Kannada. These three are Indian language. These three are Indian languages. But English is not an Indian language, and this is different from other options. English is different from the other three options, and that will our answer option D, English. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? ऑप्शन बी, इंग्लिश. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. ऑप्शंस आर गिवन: लॉक, वॉल, गेट, एंड दिस इज लाइक 2017 में. लॉक, वॉल, गेट, एंड की. हियर वी गेट लॉक, गेट, and key. These three are gate, lock, and key. These three are accessories. These three are accessories. But wall, is wall accessories? No. Answer will be no. Then wall is different from the other three options. Wall is different from the other three options, and our answer will be option B, wall. Our answer will be option B, wall. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Options are given: UX, OR, WZ, FG. UX, OR, WZ, FG. Firstly, we note here place value U and X. U21, X20. O and R. O50, RNT, W and G, W23, G20, F and G, F6, G7. Which logic is applied here? 21, 24 plus 21, 24 plus 3. अब 67 का आंसर बताओ. And here 18 to 18 will plus 3. 23 to 26 plus 3. 6 to 7 plus 1. Here these three are same. Plus 3 and plus 3. But F and G is different because here we get plus 1. What we get? Plus 1. And option D, F and G is on the other options. UX, OR and WZ are same, but F and G is different from other three. Then our answer will be option D, F and G. Next question. HKI, UXV, CFD, MQN. H, A, X. H की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 8. A will be 11. I 9. Q 10. X 24. B. FD. MQN. C will be 3. F6. D4. M will be 13, 17 and 14. What we get? 8, 11 plus 3. 8 to 11 plus 3. 11 to 9 minus 2. What we get? Plus 3 and minus 2. Here 21 to 24 plus 3. 24 to 22 minus 3. 3 to 6 plus 3. 4 minus 2. 13 to 17 plus 4. Plus 4. 17 to 14 minus. Which logical sequence will apply here? Plus 3 and minus 2. Plus 3 and minus 2. Here we get option A, B, C. A, B and C are logical sequence because these are applying in plus 3 and minus 2. But D is different from the other 3 because here what we get? Plus 4 and minus 3. What we get? Plus 4 and minus 3. And from the other. Option D, MQN. Option D, MQN is different from the other option. That will be our answer. Option D, M, Q and N. Our answer will be option D, M, Q, N. Let's move to the next question. Question number 69. EDC, MLK, NPR, FWB. EDC, options are given. EDC, MLK, NPR and last one is FWB. 5, B6, C will be 13, L will be 12, A will be 11, N 13, E 16, R will be 18, X 24, W 23, here what we get? 5 to 6 minus 13 to 12 minus 1. 12 to 11 minus 1. Minus 3. Sorry, plus 3. 18 minus 2. 24 to 23 minus 1. 22 minus 1. Here what we get? Minus 1. Minus 1. Plus 3. Minus 2. Minus 1. Minus 1. What we get? Which logical sequence? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Option A, B and D. Option A, B and D. These are same logical sequence. But option C is different from the other options. Option C is different from the other option. Then our answer will be option C. Our answer will be option C and PR. Because different from the other options. Let's move to the next question. That's all for today. Here is your homework. Question number 70, 71, 72, 73. These 4 questions are your homework. Find odd one. Milk, coffee, tea, sweet. And these questions are your PYQs. Question number 71, options are given: Scorpio, Cancer, Libra and Equator. Question number 72, EHG, JML, SR, UXX. Question number 70, LNJ, NPR, RTP and FSD. These 4 questions are your homework. Find odd one. Solve it and comment your answer in comment section. That's all for today's class. Let's end today's class. Keep smiling like this and keep studying and keep practice. Thank you so much.